Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that makes our daily lives a whole lot easier. Gadgets. Yep, those little tech wonders we rely on to keep us organized, entertained, and even more productive every single day. And trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Seriously, some of these gadgets are life easy when it comes to saving time and simplifying your life. Travel light and stress-free with the Inspira Luggage Scale. This portable digital hanging scale ensures your suitcase stays within airline limits, saving you time and extra fees. With a 110-pound capacity, easy-to-read display, and comfortable rubber paint grip, it's the perfect travel companion. Battery included, so you're ready to go. Introducing the Paralogix Airplane Phone Holder, the ultimate hands-free mount for your in-flight entertainment. With dual 360-degree rotation, you can adjust your phone to the perfect angle for movies, video calls, or work. Its compact, pocket-sized design makes it a must-have travel essential, ensuring comfort and convenience on any flight. Clip it securely to your tray table, luggage handle, or any surface for a stable, hands-free experience. Upgrade your travel game with the Paralogix Airplane Phone Holder, because flying should be comfortable and effortless. Tired of juggling coffee while rolling your suitcase? The Rayemot Luggage Travel Cup holder makes travel effortless. Securely hold 2 drinks on your suitcase handle, keeping your hands free. Perfect for busy travelers, flight attendants, and coffee lovers on the go. Stay stylish and spill-free. Travel smarter with Rayemot. Stay cool anytime, anywhere with the Luggage Life Handheld Mini Fan. This Quadian 3-in-1 portable fan wine offers 12 to 19 hours of working time. A built-in Luggage power bank and a dot flashlight. Perfect for travel and summer adventures. Its compact pocket design makes it easy to carry, ensuring a refreshing breeze wherever you go. Stay refreshed on the move. Keep your shower neat and organized with the Max IFV 3-pack corner shower Caddy Organizer. Designed for durability and style, these black storage racks provide ample space for all your bathroom essentials. Easy to install and perfect for any bathroom decor, they keep your shampoos, soaps, and accessories within reach. Upgrade your space today. Experience powerful cleaning with the Shark Upright Vacuum NV360, featuring lift-away technology, a large dust cup, a HEPA filter for allergens, and swivel steering for easy maneuvering. Tackle every mess with the upholstery and crevice tools. Get deep, efficient cleaning today. Stay visible and safe at night with the LED reflective belt sash, featuring 5 light colors and 3 light modes. This adjustable, rechargeable safety belt is perfect for runners, walkers, and cyclists. Designed for maximum visibility, it ensures our 360-degree protection. In low-light conditions, stay secure, stylish, and seen, day or night. Relax and unwind in the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker, the perfect outdoor rocking chair for comfort and convenience. With a sturdy frame, smooth rocking motion, and built-in beverage holder, it's ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard lounging. Introducing the 2024 Flying Orb Ball toy, the ultimate cosmic globe boomerang hover ball. This cool, futuristic hand drone orbits effortlessly, providing hours of fun for kids aged 6 and up. Its mesmerizing motion makes it the perfect gift for boys, girls, and teens. Whether indoors or outdoors, the galactic fidget spinner design ensures endless entertainment. Get ready for an exciting adventure with the blue Flying Orb Ball. The obsidian black electric candle lighter is the perfect gift for Valentine's Day, Easter, or any occasion. Its sleek design features a flameless, windproof plasma arc for effortless lighting. USB rechargeable with a safety switch for peace of mind, this unique lighter is a practical and stylish gift for both him and her.